Hi everyone, my name is Sarfraz Beg and I'm making this video for my YouTube channel Beg Tours. And before I start my video, I would like to ask you kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share my videos. And in this video you will see I travel from Birmingham to go to London. So I will talk about all the stations which they will come in my journey, and I will just show you the stops. And this is a normal train, it's off-peak train, so it will stop at all the stops from Birmingham to London, even Watford. So once again, kindly subscribe my channel and enjoy the video. You will see other commentary in the video. The train stops at Euston Green, so like this other stops will come one by one, and Watford would be the second last stop. And then we will arrive at London Euston railway station. Train stops at Birmingham International. And the train is at the stop. I'll try to show you the sign. This is Birmingham International. Train stopped at Hampton in Arden.
The next stop will be Berkswell.
The next stop will be Berkswell. The train stop at Berkswell. We are arriving to the next railway station. It's a nice scenery. There is not much to see, but just an experience.
Tile Hill next station. Tile
And I
Hill.
will show you the train stop which is coming. What is it called? I don't know, because I forgot the name. The train stop is let's see what's the name of this stop. It's Tile Hill. So the train stop at Canley is another stop,
Will be Coventry.
and the next stop will be Coventry. Train stopped at Coventry. It's an important railway station. Ticket checker in the train. Now we are approaching to Rugby. It's a new stop, and like this all the stops they come one by one, and then we'll arrive at Euston railway station, London. So this is a Rugby railway station. Now we are arriving at the long Becky railway station. I forgot the name of the railway station. So we will be arriving in few seconds over there. So we are at the platform. I'll try to read the name of the railway station. It's a long Buckby. It's written very small, but you can see it. We are arriving at the next station, so I don't remember the name of the train stop. Let's see, they announce it, but I don't remember. So here we are, very close to the railway station, and soon we will arrive at the platform. So here we are. This railway station is called Northampton. You can see we are arriving close to the next railway station. I don't remember the name of the station, so I will show you when we will arrive over there. It should be written on the platform. So we are very close to the railway station. It's Milton Keynes Central. Here we are. This is the railway station. So this train comes from Birmingham. I took this train from Birmingham and I'm going to London, and we are very close to London, few stops left,
No, it's
The Watford Junction. So this is the second last stop, and after we'll arrive at London Euston railway station. So then the journey will be ended. We're moving towards the platform, and soon you will see the signboard of Watford Junction. There you are, it's written in grand words, grand alphabets. It's a big railway station. It's a junction. So after this would be the last stop. We are in London, and in few minutes we will be arriving at the railway station, Euston railway station, London. So we are in the surroundings of London, far from the railway station. So soon we'll be arriving. We are on the track of Euston railway station. We are approaching at the Euston railway station, London. As you can see, the sign of Euston railway station, it's written everywhere. So finally we are at the railway station of our final destination, Euston railway station, London. So I would like to ask you once again, kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share my videos. Thank you.